Looking to track your spending or double check a payment on Cash App? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to view your transaction history step by step using two super easy methods that anyone can follow. Let's start with the fastest way, your recent activity. Open your Cash App and look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a small clock icon or a button with a number on it. Tap that and you'll instantly be taken to your recent activity page. Here you can see a list of your most recent transactions at a glance. If you've made a lot of payments and need to find something specific, just use the search bar at the top to search by name or business. This is the quickest way to get a snapshot of what's been going in and out of your account. But what if you want something more detailed, like a full monthly breakdown? That's where statements come in. Head back to your Cash App home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Documents inside Documents. Tap Statements, and you'll see a list of your available monthly statements. Select the month you want, and Cash App will generate a PDF file for you with every detail of your transactions for that period. You can even download or share that PDF if you need it for budgeting, record keeping, or taxes. So to recap, the clock icon shows you recent activity in seconds, while the Documents Statements section gives you organized monthly reports in PDF form. Together, these two methods make it super simple to stay on top of your money and keep your financial records in order. That's it. Now you know how to find any transaction you've ever made on Cash App. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and check out the description for related tips to help you master Cash App like a pro.